Dito pala kami sa Dongaw. Ayan. Sumakay nandito. Mga kubo-kubo. Ay, magandang hapon ulit. Siyempre dito tayo sa recognition ni Kas dito sa Barangay Panubigan. Siyempre kasama ko si Maring Isot. Yan. Ganda. Diba? Diba? Nakamayo si Elma ngayon. Siya kasi malugas na. Ang mulot sa SS ko ano lang, 54 lang. 96 dapat. Kasi 80s.
With honors. Ashley Marie O. Cacomanes with honors in Kandang Award. Kasura with honors and Kandang Awardee.
Matthew E. Dorsinon, Sika Qualifier, Boxing Boys. Shireen B. Escalante, Conduct Awardee. General B. Honorario, with honors.
With honors.
Di ba kita? Siya nakita.
Manlami Cassandra Church, with honors and Kanda Awardee. Thomas Pressley Maya Bethany B. with honors and Kanda Awardee.
Manok-manok lang.
For people like us living away from the north and the south poles of the earth, the sides of the rainbow can spin out.
Sorry, President Tom John Grisel B.
Assurance that we are learned about everything. Much more, labeling is offensive. We still can draw and gaze together and learn together in various ways. A student like you is awarded by your child, but learning doesn't end after the awarding, as education never ends. As of now, let me congratulate you, young learners. You strived the hardest way to reciprocate your parents, benefactors, and guardians' love and tireless efforts in sending you to school. Likewise, inspiring yourselves to pursue your dreams of what you should be when you are no longer under the mantle of your home. May mga pangandoy ba mo? Very good. Padayon na na. May I give a Hampton and more to every student here for sending yourself to school in spite of the oblivions in your life. Life is not a bed of roses, but you can make your own bed of roses. Keep up. Never surrender. Come what may, go to school. You will still find ways to pursue your dreams, though you are striving alone. Wala ko'y mama, wala'y papa, wala'y pariente ko pa eskwela na ko. Magbino na lang ako. Mao ba na? Dili, ha? So katong nag-inusara na ning kamot na maka-eskwela kada adlaw, maayo kaayo inyong gibuhat. Go on. I said, Hampton or more is yours. Dear parents, benefactors, guardian, you deserve countless recognition beyond medals, ribbons, and certificates. As these students here who are awarded wouldn't be what they are now without you at the background. Gapaluyo rin mo ang nila. Dahil maingon yung ubang bata. Nasakripisyo si mama para na ako. Lapya na sila nasakripisyo, kaya kailangan ang obligasyon pa eskwelahon mo. Di na sila mo sacrifice because they look at it as their obligation. They don't want somebody man gud nimo gitabangan. They are not sacrificing, they love you. Gihigugma man nila. So congratulations sa tanan nga suporta sa inyo ha. Once Jesus Christ said, "Give to Caesar what is due to Caesar, and to God what is due to God." Everyone here is given that most praise for successfully garnering the title Cream of the Crop. Kamu ang pinaka-best. Sa curricular o sa co-curricular, kamu ang pinaka-best. Pero yung kalimot nga ang uban, nauna hilang ilang best, nauna lang mo. May God bestow the summer of the endeavors to earn your good grades, worthy of the recognition each one is achieving now. In behalf of the GPCNHS, your trusted father of secondary education, may I extend our heartfelt gratitude for letting us make a difference in you, in your family, and the whole community in return. Inspired and challenged by the theme, Henerasyon ng Pagkakaisa, Kaagapay sa Bagong Pilipinas. Let us all chase our rainbows together and be an aurora to inspire and influence everyone from all walks of life. Congratulations.
Let's put our hands together again for Ma'am Rosa V. Narciso. Thank you, Ma'am.
Now, let's welcome our school principal one, Ma'am Chilina C. Organita, for some announcements.
Before we will close this momentous occasion, I bring some important announcement. For those students who didn't receive their togas yet, grade 12 students particularly, just clap your hands because the office made an effort through the effort of our principal, Ma'am Sherina Arquilita. Nasulbad na siya. So, katong walay mga tuga, makadawat na og tuga Monday morning. Remember, Monday morning. Thank you. To our esteemed guests, Ma'am Narciso, our school principal one, Ma'am Sherina Arquilita, honored faculty, members, the proud parents, and more importantly, the grade 11 to grade 12 awardees. What a remarkable journey we have shared.
Kakagulat.
Today, we celebrate not just an end, but a magnificent beginning. Go forth with confidence, courage, and compassion. Congratulations to all of you, class awardee of the school year 2024-2025. May your path be filled with success, joy, and fulfillment. Let the memories we've made at Jose de Cardenas Memorial High School serve a constant source of inspiration and strength. Thank you, and God bless.
Again, let's all give Jeremy a round of applause. Thank you, sir.
with those
And cheers, Mini Catholics, for the next chapter in our students' journey.
May today's recognition fuel your passion and inspire you to leave a mark on the world. Once again, this is Franklin PhD Mama.
And this is Johnson Gray Angela Santos, living in this code. You have a dream that needs to be conquered.
Failure is never a barrier. It only makes you stronger. Shine on!
Jose Peter Dennis Memorial High School Senior High School Department. Mabuhay!
Uy, may kuy.
Cool. Dalom lagi lang.
Saan?
Ito to
Sa baba? Parang kubo-kubo pala to ah. Wala na, coach.
Dito to kami. Oh,
May posporo pa ha. Dito pala kami sa Dongaw. Ayan. Sumakay nandito. Mga kubo-kubo. Mahulog ka?
Oh, swimming pool na gali oh. Limtan.
Walang tubig. I love Dongaw. Dito lang. Doon na tayo. Lalayo ito. Sige na.
Ako ang cord silong.
Ano nga? Ulit ito. Oh, diba? Ang ganda. Diyan lang. Walag ka dito. Ito lang tinawag na Dongaw.
Ang iba nagamba sila malilit ko kaya dito. Dahil nakabla sila.
Ano mo pa?
Di ko alam.
Hi guys, welcome to my vlog.
Relax ba?
Madagdag.
Hambal.
Today guys, ay ko sa Dongaw.
Take two. Hindi na today. Sige. So karon guys,
Karon guys, ari ko di sa Dongaw. Kami.
ang order mo?
Arang strawberry milk kag corn syrup.
Namin na.
Oo. Tara.
Ang halo-halo. Sa atin ba yan? Talaga? Ano to? Spaghetti lang.
May free.
Ang daming pansit.
Ma-free.
Ang order mo, Lord?
Corn syrup.
As usual. Ito.
Gagi ka uy, daw pang egg yun.
Siyempre kain na tayo. Dami naman ito. Ayaw nyo ang pansit? Ayaw nyo? Ayaw nyo?
Gusto.
Ang dami ito. Ayaw nyo?
Gusto. Ito ka tahalo rin. Tahalo.
Ako ang pansit ito. Kas. Ito plato.
Dito na. Dito na po.
Diyan na.
I shot. May ice cream.
Ito.
Yan eh.
May extra plate pa. May pagkahigpit naman ang ano nila. Ng kutsara tinidor.
Saka init. Init. Ouch.
Ano lahat? Yan. Ito blaron ba?
Ay, nagkakabulan.
Ha? Kalamansi, kalamansi.
Apa oh?
Ikaw? Kalamansi, kalamansi. Parang kulay lang ang akin ka. Napakaangas, ang dami. Dito lang yan sa Dungaw. Kaya pala Dungaw kasi kailangan mong dungawin yung anong order mo. Kung nasa
Duaw ta sa dungaw. May ilang nga tagline. Ay, dede. Tara, duaw sa dungaw. Ilang nga...
Kaya pala pa dungaw kami doon. Saan kayo? Tapos wala pang ilaw.
Lamo ko ito. Ito ilang kuruming duwa. Ano mga gorgeous sinipagod? Ganyan ito.
Na-order nyo, di ba ito lang order natin?
Oo, ito ilang yung duwa.
Mga kasama na. Sa meal, di ba?
Dapat kay
Ito yung ginisang gulay. Ginisa na yung gulay.
Silog-silog yung Charlotte, yo.
Siyempre nagdungaw na tayo. Okay na. Dungaw sa dungaw.
bulus lang ah.
Dahil dyan, tapos na kami. Uwi na. Bye-bye.